This is my beautiful iPhone 4S 64 gig. We're about to test this waterproof case.
Nice.
I'll put them on.
Flip the case around a little bit. It's a waterproof case, baby. Life proof. Let's see it. Let's see it. Go for a little swim. Oh, man. Good. Use it underwater. Use it underwater.
You can't.
Oh, you can because it's wet?
Yeah.
That works. I gotta dry it up and take it out.
Oh yeah.